Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to post on Instagram using N8N. First, go to the N8N website and make sure you log in into your account. Now click on Create Workflow to begin building your automation. Then click on Add First Step. When you search for Instagram, you'll notice it doesn't appear in the available nodes. So instead, choose Webhook as your starting point. Now select the HTTP method like post depending on how you want to receive the data. Then enter the webhook path, which is the custom part of the URL used to trigger this workflow. Next, choose the authentication method such as basic auth, header auth, or GWT auth depending on your security setup. Once everything is set, copy the webhook URL and keep it ready to be used by another service or tool to send the Instagram post data. Finally, click on Listen for test events so N8N can wait for incoming data to test the setup. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.